Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku in the puzzle page of Saturday, January the 18th, 2025. And I've already solved three puzzles: the 4-star Sudoku, Killer Sudoku, and Binary. It's time for the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number 9931. 9931. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 16 printed digits should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. Should be an easy one. So I think this one is a 0 stars or 1-star puzzle. 0 stars puzzle need to be faster than 13 minutes, and for 1-star puzzle faster than 15 minutes. Question is this a 1-star or 0 stars puzzle? We don't know, we'll see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here dual box, there dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Same for there, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Okay. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 3. No triple boxes here. About quadra boxes? No quadra boxes here. Well, then my following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. Let me start with the T shape. Let me place it here, the T shape. When you see the T shape, it's rotated, this one. This box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. Okay, only one T shape. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? Yeah. Mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. And we have also here another 1. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Then the following shape. How about this shape? I believe the last shape in this puzzle that you need to recognize. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those as shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. All right. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then. Let me see. Well, these 3 boxes surround a 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area, supposed to be here, is connected with that box, should be so a 4. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area, supposed to be here. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Then these two boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left now in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. These two boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. It's supposed to be there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. Is connected with this box, should be so 2. Is also connected with that box, should be so a 2. These two boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this L-shaped area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. Then, let me see. These two boxes can be 5. These two boxes can be a 2. So the 2 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. This box can be 4, that box can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this L-shaped area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area. For the numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and 5, we have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 1. For the 1, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this T-shaped area. It's supposed to be there. 1 or a 2, we have a 2 now, so this box should be a 1. Is connected with that box, should be so 1. 1 box left in this dual box for number 2. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be in a 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be so a 2. These two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be in the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 2. Then, let me see. Yeah. These two boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. These two boxes can be 2, those two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. These two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Yeah, no. Let me see. Well. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. We have a 3 in the same area. Can be 4. 1 digit left, should be the 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. So 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. These two boxes can be one, so the one goes together with the 4 as a pair, so the other pair in this area are the numbers 3 and the 5. We have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. Two numbers left now in this area for the numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 1 goes there. 1 and the 4, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. 1 and the 4, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes and there. These two boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. And the final two numbers in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 4 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. Well, told you. Definitely a 0 stars. We sold again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you tomorrow. Yeah. So have a great and fantastic Saturday evening. We'll meet again tomorrow on Sunday with the additional and in the evening the Sunrise Sudoku. So have a great and fantastic Saturday evening. Bye bye for now and see you tomorrow.